guys. Welcome back to LNC
with Llama and
Chicken Nug.
Today we're going to be doing the backwards slime challenge. So let's get to our
So it just works like whatever you add last, you put in first. So she's using Tide, I'm using contactless and baking soda.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda to nothing.
Oh, this is really heavy.
Oh my gosh, I don't know. This is the tough part about it. You don't know how much you're supposed to add.
Yeah. Especially with that stuff.
I know exactly.
Usually with the Tide, I have to add like that much.
Hold on. So I do. So next, I would do like shaving cream, I think, or lotion.
Right now I would do lotion. Oh, this is so weird.
Here's your lotion. Lotion.
3 pumps. Oh, that looks so gross. It's just like white lotion
All right.
floating around in a pool of Tide.
Next, I would add a little bit of soap.
Yep.
There you go. And then I would add shaving cream. Okay.
And
I added a little
would
bit of
add
shaving
my
cream.
Shaving cream too.
Then I add color, but I think I need more shaving cream than just that. So when you're done, pass me it. Don't we have 2 bottles of shaving cream?
I don't think so, but here you go. Oh no, we're going to save that until this one's empty. Let's just do that.
All right, perfect.
I
All right.
don't know what color to do. Should I do green?
I totally know what I'm doing because
Or yellow, or light blue, or pink.
I'm doing yellow.
I
I always
do light blue.
I always wanted to put the color on the shaving cream. Looks so cool.
I got an idea. I'm going to make like a miniature rainbow.
Look at this, guys. Oh, you're on a tripod. This is gonna be hard. You know what? Okay.
I did red, white,
I don't want it to
and
fall. And you can't mix yet because you only mix at the end.
blue. Yeah.
So, next, I would add glue. Why is this going by so fast?
Because you're doing it backwards. I dropped the lid in my shaving cream and other stuff.
Oh my god.
Can
So-
you grab the towel for me? This is like Tide and
So for
soap
glue,
and
we're using Glue All. Ours Glue All because we never use this, but we hear it's good. So
yeah.
let's add in our glue.
So technical difficulties. Don't drop your lid into your
Whoa. Okay.
stuff.
Done. Okay.
It came
now
out
I'm gonna
fast.
mix. Oh yeah.
Okay, now I know to be aware.
Oh, mine's activating. Be real aware. It comes out like pretty fast.
Oh, I know. That's why I'm doing this.
Smell my slime.
It smells good.
Yours will definitely smell different because we have different scented lotions and we have different
No, we use the same
activators.
we use the same soap.
Well, same soap, but different lotions and different
lotions.
activators. Mine activated like so well, guys. I added in like the perfect amount. Look, it's like perfect.
Ooh, mine's like turning this really nice purple.
I really enjoy Glue All. It's really thick, and I like
Ooh, mine's like this nice thin fluffy slime.
thin.
Yeah,
Mine's thick.
mine's soft looking.
Mine's thick, and I really like that. it's nice. And stretchy.
This is like really good.
Whoa, look.
Whoa. Oh, mine's covered in shaving cream.
I'm going to try and clean out my bowl with my slime as much as possible.
I think like that shaving cream mixed with the glue, then it activated. And it went weird when I did that. So now it's like I'm playing with marshmallow goop.
Look at this, guys. All right, so this is mine. It's just yellow, fluffy glue all slime, but it's so stretchy.
Even though I added like 3 pumps of lotion,
So
this
llama.
is not stretchy.
So llama.
Yeah.
Yours is definitely looks like it's maybe fluffier.
Yeah, I added 3 pumps of lotion and look at this stretch. Did not stretch.
Ooh. Let's see who's better once you
What'd you say?
Let's add let's see whose has better clicks and bubble making and stuff.
I don't want to do that test.
Why?
My slimes
Well,
stretch.
let's see who has the better poke, because that yours good. So that's llama's. This one's mine.
Now, crunchiness.
Okay, wait. Let me make crunchies. Okay, wait. Hold on. That didn't work. Don't count that. Okay.
That was my crunchiness.
I didn't hear anything.
Exactly. It's
Oh.
not crunchy.
All right, here my crunchiness.
Ow, that's loud.
Whoopsie. Okay, sorry for you people that have headphones on. Okay, well, comment down below whose you think is better. If you think mine is better, comment down below #sunshine.
That's why. That's why.
What?
All of my lotion didn't get mixed in. It's like right here on the walls.
Okay, wait. So, comment down below whose you think is better. If you think mine is, comment down below #sunshine. What about you?
#snowcloud.
Alright.
Because mine's like snowy and cloudy.
Alright, let's do the ending. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Click the like button if you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. Sorry, Donald's not here.
Peace out.